In underfloor heating renovation, there's really a big problem. Nobody wants to wait for screed to dry. And depending on the thickness of the screed, it might take up to 30 days for the underfloor heating to dry. So this is why we came up with EPS panels for underfloor heating renovation. And with a new production technology, we were able to make the panel itself way stiffer than before. What is this good for? So here I show you an old panel, which we have. We still need backpacker panels on top of it, of our EPS panel. By removing this, you remove a lot of installation efforts itself and some additional glue in between and some additional drying times. So the cool thing is, at the end of the day, as an installer, you save 40% of the time by installation this underfloor heating system itself. Another really cool thing is when you reduce the backer panel, when you take this out, you reduce the overall thickness. And I can tell you, in underfloor heating renovation, it's all about every millimeter counts. The smaller the system is, the better it is for any installer. It makes it so much easier. Think about transition to other rooms, to windows, or to even doors. It's so much easier if you have a system which is only 20 millimeter thickness as we have here. So this will allow for an end consumer to easily renovate an apartment in a very fast time.